good day, guys. Welcome into the video on today. So I'm your girl star Pollyanna. If you like what you see over here, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Today I'm coming in with a different kind of a video. I typically don't do this, but my daughter, my son, my husband, they've all been talking to me and they'll be like, girl, you need to go spoil yourself a little bit. So today I picked up some stuff from Nordstrom. Look at what I'm opening. I didn't just get two, guys. I went ahead and I got myself. I've been dying to get this one. The Tom Ford Lost Cherry. So I'm going to be opening up that today here for you guys while you're sitting inside of my office. Of course, I'm going to be using my glasses because I need to see. Guys, I was so excited when I got my hands on these. Listen. Oh my God. So I've heard all of the other girls and they're raving and talking about the Tom Ford Lost Cherry. And I say, I'm going to grab one for myself. My daughter was like, what you going to buy? What you going to buy? My husband was like, what you going to get? I said, don't worry. I'll come and show you what I got. So I got this. Let me go ahead and get my little thumbnail. I got these for myself. So I picked it up. I'm literally building out my collection a little bit. So just these are some things that I wanted to pick up. So when I stacked my money, I make sure I stacked it. I said, okay, I can afford it. I didn't just buy the smaller ones. I bought the bigger ones. So I'm going to show you guys. Let's go ahead. Ooh, look at that bottle. Let's go ahead and smell her. And this happens to be the, how much ounces I picked up? This was the 20. When I tell you, I can't see without these glasses. I hate it, guys. I hate these glasses. When I tell you I hate it, 100 ml. The box is... Whoa. That's... The bottle alone is beautiful. Let's go. Ooh. I'm wearing this today. I'm wearing this today. I'm wearing this today. I'm going to head up. Listen to me. I went out, I bought my stuff, came back home, put it over there, and I said, whenever I have time or a chance, I'll open it on camera. So this is about 2 to 3 days after that I picked it up. But this is gorgeous. This smells beautiful. I'm going to wear this today. Do I need to keep the box? I don't want to keep the box. Like that, put it on display like that. No, I'm just going to keep the bottle. I'm trying not to keep too much stuff in my house, causing too much trash. Listen to me, I'm trying to minimize. Anyway, so let's open up here. Baccarat 540. Listen, guys, I paid a little penny for this. I paid a little penny for this. Open up. Oh, that Lost Cherry smell. Beautiful. Chef's kiss. Love it. Literally wanted to buy that for myself. Ooh. I wanted to kind of treat myself, guys. I normally don't, but I didn't want to buy stuff that I wouldn't like. So I'm the type of girl only going to put stuff into my collection that I know I'm going to use. I bought the samples in this. Plus, I also got the samples from Dossier, and I liked it. Plus, I smelled it in Dubai. No, not Dubai. Oops. Maybe I might be going to Dubai soon. I smelled it in Turkey, and I liked what I smelled. So I said, when I come back home to the US, I'll purchase it. So I stacked my money, and now I'm buying it. With the gifts that everybody gave me for the holidays. Yeah. I think it's Baccarat I'm wearing. I think it's the Baccarat. Oh my God, I love this smell. Guys, listen, I can see myself buying more in these. And the big bottles as well. And this one I got, well, how much ml? I'm so excited. I'm just all over the place. Sorry, guys. I got this one in 2.4 ml. 70 ml. Yeah, that smells good. Oh my God, my allergies. I don't need all these boxes. So I'm throwing them out. I'm not going to keep it. I never really smelled the red one. So I'm excited to smell this one, guys. Yes. Hope you guys are liking this one. As per usual, don't forget to go like, comment, subscribe, and share. Show it up in the comment section for your girl. This is beautiful. That is beautiful. Oh my Lord. Let's smell her. Let's smell her. The sprout is nice as well too. Ooh, she's good, but I prefer the white one. I bought it because it's the other one, but I prefer the white looking one. So this is what I just add. I'm throwing away all these boxes. I don't need all that. I just wonder. That's just me, guys. Even when I buy like some of my jewelry and stuff like that, and the boxes they send me, I tend to throw it away. I don't really keep it. Very rare I keep the bags and stuff like that. So this video is gonna be short and sweet. So this is what I picked up. I really like this. For the very first time I smell this. This is gorgeous. I now see why all the girls have been raving and talking about this one. The Lost Cherry. This is beautiful. The box, I'm throwing it out. I don't keep boxes, guys. I really don't. I'm the type of girl, I like to have my place clutter free. If you like me, comment down below. Clutter free. Clutter free. Comment down below. Clutter free. All the girls who like clutter, sorry. Clutter free for me. So, back to this. I love the Tom Ford Lost Cherry. Very first time I'm picking it up. Will buy again when it's done. This is very beautiful. I have smelled the knockoff on these, and this is the reason why I went to pick up the big one. This one I'm not fond of. And this is with my own money, okay, guys? This is with my own money. I'm not really fond of this one. However, I have it now. When I am through using it, I will not buy it again. Maybe it might pair well with something else. I don't know, but I'm not fond of it. Let me see how this one smells with this mix today. Let's see if I get any compliments. Yeah, God, that's good. Oh, I don't think this one you have to spray a lot. Oh, yeah. Oh, Jesus, Lord have mercy. I don't think you spray this one too much. Yeah. So for the very first time getting to use it, knowing how it works, this one is not a spray heavily. Spray light. Spray this one very light. But I like it. Not buying again. Will not buy again. This one will buy again. Anyway, as per usual, my videos are always very short and sweet. That's just when I come here, just deliver the information. If you guys like what I'm doing, me taking you all around my studio, my office, buying, shopping, traveling, seminars, speaking, engagements, whatever. Your girl is here, bringing you all of that good, meaty, juicy content all of the time. And this one is no exception. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just want to open it and unbox it here for you guys to see what I picked up when I went out on my shopping escapade on today. No, not today. Yesterday. No, 2-3 days ago. It was like 2-3 days ago. I'm going to go put it in my collection. I'll show you my little collection, guys. Let me just pan this camera. Put it over here. I bought this one for Tash. I need to buy myself another one. Pretty decent. See, look, the one I have here. And I'm going to rest you right here. Lovely. Plus, I also have over here. I purchased this one when I was coming through the airport in, coming back from Chicago. My YSL. Yeah. And my friend Bossy Tasha in the back because they're love them. Don't forget this one. Oh God, this sent to me from Shea and Blue. So those are my, these are my very, very small collection, but collection nonetheless. Hope you guys enjoy that one on today. Me just taking you in some stuff that I picked up. I hope you guys like it. I'm going to put all of the information down below. So if you wish to make an informed decision, you can purchase one or two for yourself. I'll show you where I purchased them and how much I paid for them. I'll see you next week, Sunday. Always remember, vlogs come out every Sunday between the hours of 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Videos, I should say. Videos come out. Now that I'm vlogging over here, it's like I'm a little confused. Videos come out every Sunday between the hours of 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. If after 8 p.m. you see no video, then there's no video to post. But being the girl that I am, integral, I try to post a video every Sunday for you guys' entertainment. I'll see you next week Sunday. Bye.